model, 2016 Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 2.2 HDI low loader box van, very low mileage. Tyres OR repair, excellent condition, star struck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 67,611. MOT, 13 July 2024. Engine, 2198 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, will start and run eventually, but the engine is popping from the intake. We suspect the timing chain has jumped or has broken rockers. Well worth getting this repaired, it's a beauty. Clean and very low mileage. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074